me done with him. God know me done with him.
It wasn't my intention for all that for go on, but you can't have a woman in your house that tell her to go suck you.
So the government of Jamaica said there will be no parties in Christmas. So
Kim back here.
Warmington.
Let me finish.
Member Warmington.
Itch, scratch,
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another social media top 10 countdown. Berry does a whole heap of mix up one this week, you know, man. How can we not talk about Chad versus Drezel? Simmons, what a piece of mix up take place on TikTok, and of course we have to go jump into, you know, some other festivities. So sit back, relax, and we can jump down into this week's show.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Gaza Kim versus Black Ryno. Oh, what a box foot. I could not believe that this is taking place. Like, never in my wildest 2025 dreams would I have pictured Black Ryno and Gaza Kim going into some sort of lyrical feud. I never understand it, because right now it is all about, we are talking about Tamale and Massacre, so how this jump in. But anyway, Gaza Kim make fair voice known, you know, because apparently Black Ryno did drop something.
Oh no, gangster, not tell him where drive with him. He go police, I but what is this? Gaza Kim, she loves people business. I'm gonna know about this. I'm gonna know about it.
And you know, she feel like say like a word it throw over fear ends, and so she decided to respond. Take a listen.
Black Ryno, is that you? I know you're pranking, boo. Looking around the room, can't help but see the face you made, boo. When Shotty clap you real bad, I can't put into words how I feel. Twin, where have you been? Nobody no get licked like you do. Nobody don't get boxed up like you. Can't even deny it when me looking at your eye. One look now your eye, me just a cry, cry. Blood I do, ba, ba, boo, ba, boom. So you get your blood clot box up them too. Don't play with me. Ryno, no play with me. Don't play with me. Just not do it. Ryno.
Boy, burritos, I don't know what to say now. I guess it is just feud in the ear. And what is just so messed up is that all of this is going on in dancehall and Sting now keep this here. It's sad. Because that should have been the place that the people them go for go cuss. Number 9, Lovers Tattoo. Our burritos, so TikTok couple Rosalee and Akeem have gone viral yet again after the two went to a tattoo shop for get, you know, each other you know, tattooed on them body. So Rosalee go put Akeem name on her. Yeah man, big up that. You know, on her hands. And then Akeem go put some full stops or some roses on his face.
You don't want to put 3 that. We don't want 3 that. Like what? For the hard 1, 2, 3, can't double it. We want to go. Alright. Just like that. You don't want 3? That. Yeah, that thing. Then buy something there now. I know black if you use it now. Alright. You don't want more? Yeah? You want more? Fuck that, man.
I guess they're just getting ready for the festivities that is going to take place in Valentine's Day. They might get a little lovey-dovey something going on and keeping their series very much alive. Burritos, just let me know. You think this is a good move? You think it's real, or you think the tattoos are fake? Sound off below. Number 8, Police and Caesar. Alright, Burritos, now, so let's get into this story. So a TikToker posted a video of the police stopping him after he was rushing to get his sibling to the hospital.
Imagine TikTok, me I go from brother right now, brother have a seizure. Police have stopped me and system me at 4-way and it's an emergency, brother. Right now, brother fucking dead and man has stopped me over foolishness. Dog. Fucking bro. I mean I try to explain the situation, say the police understand the situation, the man them are going like them are idiot, brother. Dog. Brother, 13 months old, born what the police stop me and she say 4-way on top of it. Come on, man. Give me bumbo clock ticket. Give me ticket. No, dog. Man, them say some 4-way on, bro. Give me bumbo clock. Give me ticket, brother. The fuck? I'm not this dog. Joke thing, brother. Joke thing. Imagine. TikTok, my brother have an emergency and police have stopped me on the boulevard and sister me have an emergency for speeding. Brother, yo, imagine me there on fucking boulevard, my brother have a siege and police have stopped me. Yo, watch a viral man here.
Yeah, that's very crazy. That's kind of wild. I can't believe that something like this took place, and I just hope that the police officers, you know, in next year start to get some more sensitivity training to be able to spot people who have, you know, mental health issues, people who, you know, they're on the spectrum, just like other things that allows them to, you know, look beyond the surface and to examine and to treat each situation on a case-by-case basis. Yeah, man, using the discretion. Why? All I know, you know, if I didn't mean them, I feel like, say, the police and me would have got tussle when we reach the hospital. Number 7, Sean Storm viral song. Alright, Burritos know, so in the middle of the dancehall clash between Massacre and Tommy Lee, there comes a new viral song, viral trend, courtesy of Sean Storm and him song, what's name, Chip Glock. Boy, Burritos, you know, the song drop, and for somehow social media just take up the song now and run with it. Them all have, you know, people that do the videos that play the song and dance to it. People that do little skits about it now. People that teach them kids about the song.
Itch, scratch, pitch, punch, kitch, catch, hitch, snatch, hitch, flatch, hitch, latch.
Read. Itch. Scratch. Pitch. Pat.
Let us sound. Stitch.
So boy, you know, all feud we are going, Sean Storm, you are the person who is really winning in a moment like this. Number 6, Warmington versus Juliet Holness. Burritos, let me tell you this now. Say Everald Warmington, he is somebody who is not to play with. Whether you are PNP or JLP, he will be at you. Just take a look at this moment that showed a bit of standoff between you know, Everald Warmington and Juliet Holness. Boy.
Speaking, I do not expect anybody to cut off my mic. I came back here.
Warmington.
Let me finish.
Member Warmington, on a point of order.
No.
On
Chairman, you don't call point of order.
From the chair. Member Warmington, you have several mics on, and I don't even need to call on any privilege as chair.
Madam
You
Speaker.
had other persons also making a point of order.
But they can't cut me off in the middle of it.
Have no clue if you're finished, and I didn't know
I
your
was
mic
not
was off.
I did not complete what I'm
So
saying, Madam
kindly
Chairman.
complete your statement.
Madam Chairman, may I say to you, you cannot call point of order as Chairman and
Well,
Speaker.
I don't even
Point
want to
of
use
order
privilege.
can come from only the floor, not from you.
You had one. You had one from the floor.
No.
Burritos, I have nothing to say because this is not the only experiment going in the parliament this week. You did have Daryl Vaz, and then you had...
I'm a wicked and evil. Bad mind don't go on yet from September 3rd. Members.
The, Jesus beam Angela Brown Burke. Like, me don't know, I something go on down a garden house, make everybody just, you know, I feel the spirit this week. Number 5, baller graduation. All right, now, so, you know, me I forgot big up my alma mater, Excelsior High School, you know, on this, you know, moment. So, you know, them have one of the footballers, them now, you know, where him did in a one dilemma. He is graduating, but he have a very pivotal match that needed his representation, him to be on the field. And so him therefore say, yo, me either got a graduation or me got a football match. Well, guess what he did, Burritos? He chose to go to the football match. And after the match ended, well, he was able to rush and make it just in time for his graduation ceremony. Take a look. Yeah, man, that's you know, these are the things I love to see. Like, what a moment. Like, me I tell you, the entire high school will remember this for years to come. They will never forget this moment. You know, big up yourself, you know, youth. And yeah, man, I get animal, do it with thy might.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Right now, this one feel like Black contest, microphone, don't test. I swear someone feel.
Number 4, TikTok misinformation. Alright, readers, you know, so this now, you know, some time ago, I did a talk on the social media account about Andrew Holness, that he said he was going to go on a war with the people who are just like, you know, spreading propaganda and misinforming the public. Well, I guess I'm going to start with a video here, you know, because a TikToker by the name of Prince Renowned posted this video to social media.
So the government of Jamaica said there will be no parties in Christmas. So if you catch keeping a party in Jamaica, you will face the full effect of the law. But it's just crazy how you can't keep a party now, but between December 25 to January 1st, you know, if you keep no party. No, me if you just wonder if the government no fuck with Christmas or something like what God do no. Want to celebrate Jesus' birthday and talk with fuck you.
Yeah, man, so once that video dropping, you know, so it started for a pick up all the attraction and people running, you know, start for cost the government. People are say, Lord God, oh, Andrew Holness so wicked and the JLP wicked and all kind of things. Why they want to do this now? Why the people them the regular everyday people them can't have them little fun, them don't want nobody hold fun, them hold them down and all of these things. But guess what, people? Yeah, man, the video, yeah, man, the information never so accurate at all, and never accurate one box foot. And so many social media users decided to jump out of the wilderness now and decided to go online now and to really bring some actual facts.
This is why it's important to be mindful about where you get your information from. Watch this video.
So the government of Jamaica said there will be no parties in Christmas. So if you catch keeping a party in Jamaica, you will face the full effect of the law.
Here's what Minister of Information Dana Dixon actually said.
Again, we have issued directive and Cabinet has agreed that Christmas parties in government, ministries, departments and agencies will not take place this year.
So for clarity, government ministries and government agencies will not host Christmas parties this year. I have not seen or heard any communication, any videos or any news articles that suggest that the government has banned the hosting or keeping of events in the Christmas period. That is flat out a lie.
Content creator, influencer, you have a responsibility. Not wrong if you put out wrong information unless you're actually in the pockets of another party and, you know, yeah, get paid for kind of spread propaganda and kind of, you know, remove context with some of the messages where you bring. If that's the case, well, they're awesome. We can't bother. But like, come on, man, it's okay. Nothing wrong to say, yo, you're wrong. This was my bad. But according to social media users, when them come on there and I try to correct him, he's removing the comments and delete the comments them and I block them. So I hope that is not the case. But people, remember, you know, to whom much is given, much is expected. You have your platform, you know, TikTok streets, people them, and everybody have a research or read and write. If you tell them, so right now, one tsunami come for Jamaica at 8 o'clock, they will believe you blindly. So with that, please, just the little civic responsibility there, do your work with some amount of honor, man. That's all. Number 3, darting championships. Okay, Burritos know, so I have to big up to the St. Thomas native, 66 years old, Dita Headman. I hope I get her name correctly, you know, like who won this the darting championship.
Second chance is afforded to Dita Headman. And ringside has finally been ticked off for Dita Headman. At 66 years old, she becomes the oldest ever champion on this stage. She has come close 3 times before, but finally she gets her hands on the trophy. She could have been forgiven for thinking this moment would never ever come. But Lorena Rietbergen, sporting in defeat, salutes Dita, as does the capacity crowd. She can scarcely believe it, tears flowing.
Yeah, man, enough, that is it, man. Big up yourself in a Dita. Yeah, man. Boy, Jamaican people, we just love what we just excel in all kind of things. We have darting championships and we have bobsled win. Like, come on, man, what next? What next? Number 2, TC karaoke. Well, you know, this week TC go up, they go sing the song, and I tell them, man, you know, the song, yeah, shell. But what surprised me is TC never sung bad at all. TC sound pretty good. Like, me I feel wonder, like, I just love when people have some little surprise talent when, you know, you put them in a one box and you don't really think them have some other talent over here, so. And then you look and you say, no, man, but something they right there, so, man. Yeah, TC, man. Now let's see if we can sing the song too. Oh love, stop making a fool of me. Oh love, stop making a fool of me. Oh yeah, man. I kind of did have it and then I lose it and then I catch it back and then I lose it, but. Yeah, man. So, TC, big up yourself, because that was a little bit more challenging than I thought it would have been. But, I know I'll probably get both at 80%, right, Burritos? And number 1 goes to... Chad versus Drezel. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to this new social media mix-up between Chad Walker and Drezel Simmons. So if you don't know who Drezel is, you know, Drezel is a hot girl. Drezel a hot girl from long time. From long time. You know, them voluptuous, girlish shape, good, all kind of things. And everybody just wonder like, Bombata, how them girl live, what kind of lifestyle she have like, yeah man, I just said the whole image were really, you know, skyrocket her to social media popularity because she shape good, dark skin, all of these things. And so, well, if a man want her and them can't have her and just live the lifestyle here, you get me? And so in recent times, you know, we would have seen her multiple relationships. She's like a Jamaican, Laura Harvey, where she, yeah man, as one gone, the next one banned. She not a problem, I find, you know, a fine man. So she have her, you know, her pitney no one. She must just all engaged the other day, did set for married, and then the relationship they done, and then she premiered this new relationship with you know, young gentleman by the name of Chad Walker. Now Chad used to be an athlete, him having business now, one brown youth where people consider like uptown, and you know him just a do film thing now, but the two of them start to post up themselves on social media and promote themselves as like you know, couples goals. You understand? Like, yeah. And so I guess trouble in paradise never did that go on for too long. When people notice that them stop follow each other, the picture them stop post now. Only for when Drezel must go make the post here.
The Lord ever tell us say, put on back on a body back. Una cannot be woman. Una cannot be woman.
People say, yeah man, something now go on. So after she made the post now, then Chad decide to rush out now to the social media streets now and start to go bust up everything about his relationship with Drezel, including saying most of it call police pan her, she get thrown out of the house, and all kind of allegations so she has sell her body, all kind of this and one bag of thing.
Come to about the gay thing because really and truly, every man not go dress the same, every man not go look the same. You can't expect everybody to be the same. Right? You can't expect everybody to be the same. Everybody have to have them different personality. Everybody have to dress how they want to dress. Everybody look how they want to look. I happen to just look like this. Question, hold on, what is question? Yo, what is questionable about a handsome man who carry himself good and speak properly?
So when you kick her out, you kick out the little girl too?
I mean, it wasn't my intention for all that for go on, but you can't have a woman in your house that tell her to go suck your mother.
Oh.
Yeah. You can't have a woman in your house who don't respect you. So you see, because of her mouth, it's not because of her past. Fuck her past. Everybody have a past. Everybody have a past. You can't have a woman in your house that come say, yo, go suck your mother, this and that. Ray, and, you know?
I understand. But you're sure, so if Giselle, right?
The chain thief, the same night she got arrested.
Okay, why did she get arrested?
Assault.
She assaulted you?
Yeah.
Why did she assault you, Chad? What did you do?
She wanted my phone to delete the stuff out my phone that I have on her.
That's why I'm
because we were having an argument.
I don't want to interrupt you and a question you. Give me a rundown from the start. What more? No,
ask specific questions and I will answer accordingly. But
okay.
I never go too deep into it because I say when I need to say already and everything I say are facts. And if somebody can contest that.
What did you have in the phone that she wanted?
Everything I say I have, from bank statement to you, whatever you can think of, I have it.
How did
everything
you
I say, they were sent to me. Couple of them were sent to me by some inside link. People come to me afterwards and provide some information that I saw for my own eyes as well. They must say, yo, this is who you deal with, this is who you wife up, or this is who you did wife up, Zane. So them send me everything from Gram. Them create the fake page them send me the screenshots, them show me the PayPal transaction them show me the Zelle transaction them show me the Scotia transaction them.
And it's just pure miss on top of miss, and I'm just like, okay.
You might look at hot girl and buck up in a madu, man. No, me not look no hot girl. Look at hot girl and buck up in a madu, man. No, look no hot girl. You're too liar, much me. Then how you send me request? Because you look at hot girl and buck up in a madu, man.
Like, one of the things that I'm reading I really like about the influencer lifestyle is that as soon as something happens, it has to be my side of the story, your side versus mine. And everybody I try to monetize out of the beef, and it just becomes this very surface thing. It feels very high school. I mean, like, yo, people can just manage them feelings and just deal with things like adults, man. And everything have to just be for the applause and for people like, me get it, the mix up sweet, but sometimes me like, Lord God, man, Jesus, Lord God, man. It almost come like people just rush for go date each other because them get excited for say, if it break up, it going to be a moment. It's like them already a think about the moment. Anything go flip, them and say, yeah, man, all right, me find out that boy, if you ever fresh yourself, me can get all 10 YouTube videos out of this now. Me can get all 10,000 likes out of this now. Like me if you say, we don't interact with actually band and know people and connect and real human to human connection. But boy, I'll be knowing like the man them at Drezel, but I know said Drezel could have find out 5 more man before Christmas Day. They will still desire her. And Chad put out say him already find somebody. So the two of them come like just the man and woman version of each other. People will have whole heap of options and might be a little toxic, but hey, people are intrigued by them. So I guess it works for them. So readers, let me know what you make of the relationship, what you make of all of them juicy mix up. Are you team Chad or team Drezel? Sound off below, and for all of the people them where wait on the 7 o'clock. Me I forgot to do another video depending on what Drezel does in that 7 o'clock YouTube video or special live. We will talk about it another day. So you just go and sit back and relax until next time we jump into it. Alright? Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. Make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Also, go and check out my latest Vox Pop with my intern Gio. We were ready to talk about the whole beef dancehall clash between Tommy Lee and Masika. Go and go check it out right now. Yeah, man, right here. So don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all over, X as well. And to advertise and to book your boy, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. Okay? Take care until next time. Ta-ta. Au revoir. Kineshiwa. All right, bye now.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.